Hey guys, this is Ryan from BuiltRight. Today we're going to be installing our bedside MOLLE panel in this Chevy Colorado. This works for years 2015 to 2022. It also works in the GMC Canyon of the same years. So let's get into it. All right, let's go over what comes in the kit. You get your bedside MOLLE panel, you get these accessory clamp spacers, along with our custom mounting blocks, our custom spacers, some channel nuts, and 5/16 hardware. And the tools we'll need for this are a 3/16 Allen wrench and a trim tool. To get started, first we have to take out these trim inserts. They're pretty easy with a pry tool. Just go ahead and get behind there, pop it out. Save it for later if you ever want to revert back and sell the truck. All right, let's go over how this actually works with this hardware. You're going to take this will thread over your MOLLE panel. For now, I'm just going to show without it. Then behind the panel, you'll have our spacer. You'll put our mounting block and then the channel nut. Once you have the channel nut partially threaded on, we can show how it works. You'll be able to put it through those holes we just exposed. Once it's in, you'll carefully make sure it's turned 90 degrees, and this will lock against the wall of the truck, and then as you tighten it down, it'll clamp everything together. Let's put it together. You have your hardware, your spacer, our mounting block, and then the channel nut. Just thread it on so it doesn't fall off. Now we're going to install our accessory clamp space fillers. This truck has a tonneau cover, so we just need one in the middle. Leave the two on the end open. Alright, now here's a little tip for the install. I've tried doing them with them loose like this. You can make it work, but I think it's a lot easier if you actually temporarily snug it up when it's in line. Make sure it's horizontal. Do that with all of them, then it should just pop right into place. You'll back this screw off enough to the channel nut to move, then you can tighten it down. Hold it in there, should just be able to loosen it up a little bit. Make sure you see it turn. And then tighten it up. There you go. And you're going to repeat that on all the 5 bolts. And just like all of our other installs, it's good to make sure everything's kind of held in place before you cinch anything down too tight. There we go. Just making sure everything's lined up. All right, we got all of our bolts in loosely. All the channel nuts are engaged. Let's go ahead and tighten them all up. All right, they're all tightened down. Let's make sure it's solid. That's not going anywhere. All right, that's our install for today. It was a pretty easy one. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, or feel free to reach out. Have a good one.